So 1 month later, I'm back with an update about the TV installation that I built in my studio. If you haven't seen my previous video, I built a giant CRT installation in my studio using two 6-foot shelves and 23 monitors. I'm very grateful I was able to reach a new audience and provide some value with that last TV installation. It's really cool to see how this project impacted people in different ways, and it inspired me to expand on what I already built. So I added 3 new security monitors to the installation, an oscilloscope, and then I just did a test by using some of my other monitors from the initial installation that I built. I really like this 3x3 stack of TVs. My dad bought me 2 monitors, so I was able to expand my installation to 30 monitors total across 3 shelves. I've been collecting these monitors for the last couple years, and I reached the highest point within the last few months. And it's just very interesting how each of these monitors has had a history before it came to me, and I'm really glad that I was able to get these and put them to good use. While I have a few of the same models, each individual unit adds its own layer of character to the set. Now I'm going to show you all a couple different displays that I configured across these 30 TVs. So starting off, I have a visualizer that I created for Forever Almighty. The only reason I was able to figure out how to get all 30 monitors to display the exact same thing is because I moved the installation to the middle, and I just thought to try out a couple different techniques. Adding this oscilloscope to my installation really enhances the atmosphere of it, and it's nice to have another piece of tech outside of the monitors. And of course, I had to add my modded PSPs in here. That adds to the aesthetic in itself. It's literally like I just built my own world in this studio. I'm incorporating elements of everything that I'm interested in: cameras, my PSPs, my old tech, my brand. Documenting my process is important, and my filmmaking style adds more character to these projects. Moving on to the next display, I have the 9 monitors with a live feed set up for my camera, and the other 15 monitors are producing background visuals. I like this display configuration because I can have text or background visuals pop up on the screen, and then directly in the middle, live feed. Then I moved on to just some ambient background visuals, and these are always a vibe. This would be really cool for gallery installations. I have the 9 in the middle that can be live feed to enhance the interactive element. Moving on to my third display configuration, I have a live feed across all 30 monitors. This one was the most impressive to me. I feel like I'm making stuff that I would normally see in movies or TV shows like Stranger Things, and it just always impresses me that I have something like this right in my studio. Another thing that I love about these monitors is how the color reflects off the concrete. Moving on, I have some visuals from my brother's fashion show. It was really nice to see everybody wearing my clothes, and I'm super grateful that I was able to be a part of his fashion show, Chic Drogue. When we did this fashion show, I didn't have anywhere near the amount of monitors that I have now. So being able to watch me and my friends a year ago across 30 screens just really shows the growth. Yeah, this was a really fun time. Now I have one of my favorite commercials that I've ever directed for my brand. This video was inspired by A$AP Rocky's Sundress music video, and I took a lot of inspiration from this. It's really nice to sit back and watch some of my old projects on my new installation. And a lot of these visuals really still hold up today. And although I came out with this project almost 3 years ago, I'm still heavily inspired by a lot of my previous work. And yeah, man, that about does it for this installation. These are the studio updates. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out my creative outlet, Forever Almighty, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you.